Video is painful, isn't it? You feel super awkward on camera, it looks horrible if you try to do it yourself, or it just takes up way too much of your time. And even if you do figure it out, the results rarely seem to match the pain of the process. Well, I'm here to tell you that video doesn't have to be a pain, and it will work for you. The DIY Video Roadmap is the only program of its kind that teaches you how to create high-quality videos for your business without tech overwhelm or wasted time. You have a message to share with the world, and the technical side of video should not stop you from getting it out there. Now I know what you're thinking. I ain't got time to do video. That's just a fun thing that I'll do once I get everything else figured out. Try again. Video is the missing tool within your business. It is the fastest way to build an online presence, attract prospective clients to you, and be seen as the go-to expert within your industry. If you want to make an impact in today's world, you can't do it without video. Let me give you my do-it-yourself video system that allows you to film once per month and outsource 80% of your editing. This is not just a training program. It's the exact system that I've used to produce one video per week since launching my YouTube channel in June 2018. It is hands down the fastest way to produce weekly videos. The best part is it's designed for busy business owners, so the entire program is bingeable in a weekend or executable in only a few hours per week. I cover 3 different tier levels, starting with your phone and moving all the way up to the gear that I personally use. That way you can get started with minimal gear investment and upgrade over time without needing to buy a new course. And if imposter syndrome or self-doubt have you stuck, I'll cover that too. I'll teach you how to step into your power and find the message that you have to share with the world. I believe in you, even if you don't yet believe in yourself. Your message matters, and I am here as your guide to help you break through any tech holdups or limiting beliefs that are stopping you from making the impact that you've always dreamed of. So what are you waiting for? Join the DIY Video Roadmap, and I'll see you on the inside.